Here's how to buy crypto in the Trust Wallet app. First, open Trust Wallet and tap the Buy button. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin. Next, enter the dollar amount you want to purchase. Trust Wallet uses third-party payment providers to process these transactions, so the available payment methods can vary. For example, select Apple Pay if it's available for your transaction. Choose the appropriate third-party provider that supports Apple Pay. Then, review the purchase details, including the amount you'll receive and any applicable fees. When you're ready, continue to the payment screen. If Apple Pay is available, you'll be able to pay the same way you normally use Apple Pay. Confirm the payment using your usual Apple Pay authentication, such as Face ID or your device passcode. After the transaction is processed, the purchased cryptocurrency should be transferred directly to your Trust Wallet. Keep in mind that buying crypto directly through Trust Wallet can involve third-party provider fees, and those fees may be relatively high depending on the transaction amount and payment method. That's all for this video. Thanks.